Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Formula One diecast, and this one is George Russell's number 63 2022 Mercedes AMG F1 car. On the back you can see the scale of the car, except for this sticker with the barcode on it. On the front you got the number 63 George Russell and the Mercedes AMG Penteronas F1 team. Let's get George Russell out of the box. Sorry, this is taking too long. My fingernails are not sharp. There we go. Just push it out of the way. So here is George Russell's car. Now, like all F1 diecasts that are available in stores, this one comes in a protective case, like a display case. And you can actually remove the car by removing this screw, and just taking out the car. And you can actually put the car back in without the screw. Let's take a look at the car. So George Russell was on the Williams team, but in 2022, George Russell switched from Williams to Mercedes when Valtteri Bottas left for Alfa Romeo. So the car is a very silver color with a aqua green line, and on top of the car you got the Ineos sponsorship with the red, with part of it is red. On the front you got the same Mercedes silver and aqua green coloration, because in 2020 and 2021 it was mostly black, but they returned to the silver in 2022 until returning to black in 2023. You also got his number 63. In fact, in the 2022 season, George Russell did carry a black number 63 with a similar color blue outline to the number he has on. But then later in the season, he switched it to a permanent 63 blue. On the side, you have the Penteronas logo, and of course, Penteronas. You have FTX on the rear wing, Penteronas in the front. On the back, you got Ineos with the red back side. The tires are obviously Pirelli hard compound tires. And on the bottom case, it says the Mercedes AMG F1 W13 E Performance car, which is the one he carries. And of course, they all have the halo on the side. And of course, on the front, you have the Mercedes logo. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the case. And that'll be all in today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.